my presentation is on how IQ tests do not prove intelligence. The first IQ test was made by Francis Galton, an English psychologist who used a system called psychometrics to determine heritability of intelligence. In 1905, Albert Binet created a verbal intelligence test known as the Binet-Simon test. The term IQ, or intelligence quotient, was coined by a German psychologist named William Stern. And today we still use the intelligence test to measure the validity of intelligence between people, and about 95% of people score between a 75 to 130. Researchers determine that IQ tests can't exactly tell how smart someone is. They claim that the whole concept is a myth. Three components that they determined made up intelligence was short-term memory, reasoning, and verbal components. There's no such thing as a single measure of intelligence or general intelligence. Scientists took 12 people and placed them under a study to prove their intelligence after going through a series of tests. For each test, they placed a person underneath an fMRI to determine their cognitive abilities, which they then determined were related to different circuits in the brain. Their results determined that training a brain to perform better cognitively didn't help. People that play video games were better at reasoning and short-term memory. Aging associated with the decline in memory and reasoning. Smoking is bad for short-term memory and verbal skills. Anxiety is bad for short-term memory. And it also proved that the possibility that different areas of the brain are controlled by different abilities could exist. One of the goals we should have in creating a possible IQ test should be separate intelligence tests that reflect the capacity of different parts of the brain. Therefore, for different skills, we should make a standardized test that just focuses on those skills. I believe that no one has the same knowledge, therefore no one's intelligence can be absolutely the same. So the truth behind IQ tests must be false, because not everybody has the same common knowledge to answer all the IQ test questions. It is also unfair to place time limits on answering these questions because everybody's brain capacity does not work at the same pace. I believe that in order to create a better intelligence quotient, we should do psychological tests and research to further improve the way we learn about the brain, and therefore we will be able to determine a way to make new tests.